Hey there, online is nowadays all the rage, but are still agents using offline methods in 2020? Yes, there are, and today I'm going to be talking about that. Hi, my name is Yasir Khan, and I'm the author of Property Agent Secrets book, which is the most powerful book in the real estate industry, guaranteed. Grab a copy for yourself at propertyagentsecrets.com. So, a lot of agents out there, have tried online marketing, and online seems to be all the rage, all the prospects, all the buyers, everyone is online, everyone appears to be online, right? Yet, are agents still using offline methods? Yes, they are. And today, I'm going to be talking about 5 offline outdated methods real estate agents are still using. So, the number one on this list of outdated methods has to be cold calling. All right, so why is cold calling outdated? The reason is very simple. When in 2004, the DNC 2014 actually, DNC law, do not call law, came into effect, and essentially it outlawed any phone calls which were unsolicited. So that's the reason why cold calling is still outdated in 2020. And the reason is very simple. Prospects hate it. Nobody likes to be cold called, seriously, right? So everybody has a smartphone. When on a smartphone you can see a number coming in, and if people do not recognize a number, if the number is not part of their contact, usually, especially masked number or hidden numbers, right? People automatically just either reject it or wait for it to finish and block the caller, right? So that's the very simple reason. Nobody likes to be cold called. No, I mean, even myself, I get cold calls and I automatically reject them. Very simple, right? The biggest reason is because it's disruptive and it's annoying. Disruptive because you're going around doing something in your life, right? Whatever it is that you're doing, and you have to go out of your way to answer the call, which is basically a sales pitch, an unwanted sales pitch from a hungry salesman. So that is the perception, that on the other side of the call is going to be a hungry salesman, and that is why it doesn't work. And by the way, cold calling is only for those people who do not know how to get leads. And people think, especially real estate agents, they think that online marketing and all that is expensive. You have to put in money there. So cold calling, it doesn't cost me anything. It only costs my time. That is a very limited view. That is a very outdated mindset to think about it. All right. So cold calling, believe it or not, there are still agents doing it right now, running cold calling right now, and you shouldn't do that. You should stop it, alright? And the second number on the list of 5 outdated methods property agents still use in 2020 is door knocking. And door knocking is door knocking is totally outdated, seriously, all right? And especially when the recent coronavirus, there was a circuit breaker, right? Suddenly, nobody could go out for non-essential reasons, right? And that's the reason why door knocking couldn't, those people who were used to doing door knocking, suddenly it was taken away from them because they can't go and do door knocking anymore, right? So door knocking is pretty outdated method, seriously, right? And there's so many reasons why people hate to be door knocked on. So no homeowner in their right mind likes to be disturbed by stranger knocking on the door, all right? And unless somebody is expected, then they look forward to the door knock. Other than that, if it's a hungry salesman on the door, even for example, even for me, for example, right? All those years ago, I used to be, when I was a realtor, right? The first time I knocked on someone's door, he called the police. I didn't know it, but it's illegal to knock on doors after 10 p.m. But at the time I was desperate, I was so hungry, I was so desperate, I needed the money, I needed to feed myself. I had a concerned mother, I had a upline to report to, right? So I was totally desperate, and he called the police, and after that I got so traumatized after speaking to the police officers that I never knocked on another door again in my life. right? So that was a valuable lesson right there for me. But still, there are so many agents out there who are still doing the same old thing, still door knocking, and it's totally disruptive, and nobody likes to be knocked the door. And I've heard of people banging the door in the face of somebody who's uninvited. So basically, people, prospects view all such realtors, all such salesmen, even the insurance agents out there doing it, they view all of them as pests. And seriously, this is something that it's not a good thing when you want to do sales, right? It's easy, it's faster, it's better for prospect to chase you rather than you doing all the chasing. You chase the prospect, you chase the buyer, you chase the seller, you knock on their doors, you basically make unwanted sales pitch. So in one of my earlier videos I mentioned about prospects love to buy but prospects hate to be sold. So door knocking comes under that, cold calling comes under that, right? So now I'm moving on to list number 3 out of the list, the 5 things that people, real estate agents, are still doing which are outdated. So number 3, after door knocking, after cold calling, number 3 has to be flyers, right? Throwing flyers manually inside the letterboxes. So why is that outdated? Because okay, have you ever come across a lot of rubbish, a lot of junk lying around your, let's say you have a home, right? I mean, obviously in a HDB, right? If you're staying in a HDB, then you've seen the amount of rubbish in the HDB flat. There's a ton and ton of discarded mail, and a huge proportion of that mail are flyer, and nobody reads flyers. Because why? Flyers are advertising, and no prospect in their right mind reads advertising. Seriously, the only people who read advertising are who? Marketers. They want to spy on others' ad. That's why they read advertising. But if you are a realtor and you think that prospects are going to read your advertisement, then you are mistaken, because nobody reads advertising. Advertising is ignored by people with great vigor. Nobody likes to read an ad, right? So I mean, pay attention. Why? Because just put yourself in the prospect shoes. You open a newspaper, you open a website or whatever, right? And you open your letterbox and you see all these ads. What do? You throw them away. So that's the natural human reaction to when they see an ad. Nobody reads ads. So if your direct mail, if your newsletter, if your whatever, right, has value, then prospect will open it, prospect will read it. But if it's a flyer, because it looks like an ad, it feels like an ad, from far away people smell an ad, they will throw it away, right? So that's the reason why flyers, especially if you're doing it manually, and especially if it looks like every other agent's flyer, then it's an outdated method that you shouldn't be doing at all. And agents are still using this, but it's outdated, totally outdated in 2020. All right. And method number 4, after cold calling, after door knocking, after throwing manual flyers, method number 4 is actually networking physically. All right. So we're in 2020, right? And which is the biggest social networking site on the internet? It has to be LinkedIn, right? We already have online networking method, online way to reach prospects, to reach buyers, to reach sellers. Yet property agents are still doing networking, going out there, chasing new business, talking to strangers in the hope that anyone will buy a house from that. And that is an outdated method. It no longer works today. Everyone is online. Everybody has a Facebook account. Even if you think that someone with a Facebook account is not going to be buying from you, then that has to be your antiquated, your outdated method that need to update. All right. So if you look at evidence, if you have a simple, if you have even the basic vigilance, even the basic amount of flexibility, then you should be observing what's around your environment, and around what are people around you doing. So everybody is congregating online. Nobody is attending offline events anymore, especially in light of the coronavirus, right? So that should tell you something, that physical networking, face-to-face networking is already outdated. Everybody is online. Go online. Wherever they are online, show them an ad, buy an ad from there, then go ahead, do it. But stop trying to do it the hard way, which is offline, passing name cards. Seriously, it doesn't work anymore. All right. And last on this list of outdated methods that property agents are still using it right now, number 5 has to be SMS blast. Seriously, SMS blast, and the newer version of it is WhatsApp blast. Seriously, I think that is so okay. I mean, it's outdated. SMS blast is seriously outdated, and there are agents who swear to me that they get business from there. But what I can swear by is that business is going to be very inconsistent, and usually you will get customers who are the worst type of customers. Seriously, all right. So SMS blast is outdated. Seriously, right? Because nobody, yes, correct. A lot. The proponents of SMS blast, they argue that the SMS open rates are very, very high, right? But seriously, yes, 100% of people, even I, for example, even I will open the SMS, but I will flag it, I will block it, I will delete it, right? And every other prospect is also out there. I'm making a point to put myself in the shoes of the prospect. Let's say, for example, my prospect is the buyer and my prospect is the seller. I have to put myself in their shoes. I have to think of like how they think. And normal people, normal human beings, right? They hate it when they get an ad in the SMS. They hate it when they get an ad in WhatsApp. Usually they keep WhatsApp for messaging, their friends or family. It's a violation of their space, of their WhatsApp, when somebody else intrudes in, throws an ad, throws a marketing angle over there. So people hate it. Everybody hates it. Why? Because all the 5 outdated methods that I just described to you are all outbound. You are, as a marketer, you are throwing all these ads, everything, all this marketing out there, and it's totally outdated. Because the smarter way, the better way to do it right now in 2020, you stop doing all these 5 outdated methods and start focusing on inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is where you, as the marketer, offer the prospect, offer the buyers, offer the sellers what they want, and they will come to you. That is the smarter way, that is the better way. And start searching about all this, start becoming a better marketer, start learning about direct response marketing. And in fact, in my book Property Agent Secrets, I give away all these direct response ads. I give away all these smarter ways of marketing online in 2020 and beyond. And this is the definitive guide if you are a property agent. If you're struggling with getting leads, if you're struggling with cold calling, if you're still doing door knocking, if you're still doing SMS, get this book, and seriously, you won't be disappointed, because I share all the strategies, all the tactics that never change. Even though we will have new technologies coming up, but the strategies that I share in this book will still be relevant 10 years from today, 20 years from today. So get this book from propertyagentsecrets.com. all right. So today I talk about 5 outdated methods that many agents are still using, why you shouldn't be using those outdated methods, what are the alternatives, and I also told you to get my book. So yeah, I think that's all for now, and I hope that you find a lot of value. And if you have any questions, just shoot me a question, and I always take the time to answer members' questions, to answer agents' questions. All right. So that's all for today. Bye bye.